What is new, drivers? What you're looking at over here is a new Peterbilt record. Looks like he's towing a 7-car hauler. If you look up on the sidewalk there, by those two black cars there, that's the driver. He just got out the truck. He's going to check out the area there, making sure there's nothing on the way there that he's going to hit, because I'm sure he doesn't want to mess up his new record. So he got to go down the driveway. That driveway there is a little bit of a challenge because it's kind of deep. It goes down about 4 or 5 feet. It drops down like slowly, like 4 or 5 feet. So that makes it a little bit hard. But anyways, I can tell that this driver is not lazy. Look at him. He went all the way back there. He's checking the other side of the road. I'm sure he's thinking that might be a little bit easier from that side there. But in order for them to do that, he would have to go all the way around and, come back in. So he decided to move the car from the corner here. But looks like he's about to get it. He's bringing it in slowly, taking his time, looking out the window. Up on the passenger side, on his passenger side there is a fire hydrant. So he can't go too close to the curb because he would hit that. So he got to stay on the road the whole time. So far so good. So here is where the driveway starts dropping. So right there, yeah, he stops right there. He got to play with the controllers. He got to bring the wheel lift up a little bit in order to prevent the trailer from hitting the bottom of the driveway there. I don't really know this driver, but with everything I'm seeing here, I'm sure he's been doing this for at least 10 to 14 years. Maybe more. We got a very good driver here. He's doing great. Somebody got to give him a raise. Anyways, from this point on, he just got to go straight back into the hole there. Now he got someone back there backing him in just to make sure that he goes all the way back and push it all the way where they want it. Guys, don't be lazy. Get out the truck, check out the area before you back into any place. It can save you a lot of money. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.